out here at Paulina Lake. Me and good old Steve Heap over here, slaying trout. Stay. Suffocating baby trout. That's fish. Off a different type of one too. The rainbow trout, who are they? Got myself a little baby branch. Use this as a bait for them. You guys are not allowed to do that. Good job, Steve-O. You got your first one today. I'm gonna kill it. It's gonna die. He takes my rod. Right. He's like, nope. Yeah. Good fish, man. Nice. Kind of deep in there. Choked it, man. Oh, now he's bleeding. I don't want to kill him. I don't want to rip his gills. Oh, go. He's gone. Oh, let's see. I hope he doesn't die if he's so bad. Yeah. He's running that moss. All right, guys. Got our first fish of the day. Good job. Good boy. All right. So, Captain's Log 2027. We are lost in the Paulina wilderness. Just kidding. No, we're at the hot springs. And it says no fire, so we can't cook this fish. It died, unfortunately. But, good thing is that we know there's a lot of fish in here. We just gotta figure out what they want to eat. How was the pee? Wonderful. Do you feel 100 pounds lighter? No. Damn. Unfortunately, that didn't go with it. So, we have fished for how many hours? Do you like 6 hours? 6 hours of fishing and caught one. Steve-O, for sure. And I caught probably about 3 or 4 and brought them up. Steve says that they're all tiny. Wait, one is bigger, but probably got 10 fish. Yeah, we didn't have to hear it for all the night. Right, we should have. I didn't want to set it up. I don't know why. Yeah, it is what it is. Next video will be more thought out. Good. Cool. Catch you guys later. Peace. We got that trout up here cooking. It's gonna be delicious. Random campsite. Yep. Posted up, getting it
It's cool. You just find a place, have a safe fire, and pick it up.
Took them like 1 minute, not even like 10 seconds to get that thing. It was really fast.
We'll have that on camera next time.
Yeah, next time I'll show you how to do that real quick. If you don't know already. Sweet. Look, it's leaking. Got the fish oils coming out.
The omegas.